All right, welcome back, guys. So we are at Market 28. So I heard about this place from the guy who I got my rental car from. Suggested to come check it out. Said it's pretty famous here in Cancun. I guess a lot of different shops inside, maybe some food. So we're gonna take a look inside, see what's there before we head back to the hotel. It's super hot out today, especially compared to yesterday. The sun's really out, it's beaming, and it's pretty humid. But yeah, let's check it out here. It's really bright. Kind of reminds me of Guatapé, like all the colors.
Maybe you want to play tequila?
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 No, gracias, no me gusta. So it looks like it's a bunch of like local tequila brands in here, mezcals, everything. It's a lot. So, got a restaurant, some souvenirs. Really want to see if we can try to find some like local food in here. We haven't eaten anything at all the whole day pretty much. It's like everything here is just like clothes and like souvenirs and stuff like that. I know there's another part we can go to. I'm not sure like if we have to go outside and come back maybe. But I saw online it was like other pictures. Got some cool masks here. Viva Mexico. All right, so that place wasn't as big as I thought from the pictures I saw on Google. It's actually pretty small. What you saw there was pretty much all they had. So we're gonna go to this local restaurant across the street. It was recommended to us from one of the people who work at the shop. It's called Cocina Económica. So we're gonna check it out, see how it is, see if it's good.
¿En español?
Sí,
Mejor.
sí, mucho mejor.
Okidoki, pues. Adelante.
Okay. All right, let's check it out. This place looks really local, so I'm excited. Hola. Gracias. I think you try like the quesadilla, safe like this. You can get like chicken in there, steak. I mean, there's nothing in it that should make you sick or anything like that. It's just like yesterday. It's the exact same thing. What do you want in your quesadilla? Chicken or steak or what?
Steak.
Steak. They also have like a soup. Like a soup.
Soup.
Yeah.
What's that?
Let's see, pozole verde. Let me see what's in here. I'm not too sure. Por un
This
momento.
is quesadilla and this is
Quesadilla.
sope. It's made with corn.
The pozole,
And the
¿qué lleva?
pozole
Sí.
is only on Saturdays.
Oh, only on Saturdays. Okay. Okay.
We have quesadillas with cheese and one topping. You can choose only chicken, mushroom, cactus with chicken, potato with chicken, potato with chorizo, chicharrón is like a steamed pork,
Mm-hmm.
and picadillo de res is beef with
Tiene
carrot
bistec?
and potato. We have this is cecina de res, is carne asada,
Okay.
piece of beef, and it's with onion, chile, quesadilla, avocado, cheese, and beans.
Do you want that or you want the quesadilla? With chicken, I guess. You don't have quesadilla de carne? Sí.
Only
de pollo?
The
Or-
picadillo
so-
is beef with potato and carrot.
Oh, okay. So it's potato and beef.
And with the cecina, you can have one meat tortilla and you can make your own tacos with the beef.
Okay. So let's do dos quesadillas de picadillo de res. And para mí,
You want cream and cheese? In your quesadillas, you want cream and cheese?
do you want cream? No crema.
Cheese?
Sí. Y para mí, quesadilla de picadillo de res también y chicharrón.
Okay.
No crema también.
And for drink, we have Jamaica water, tamarindo water, or maybe a soda, Coca-Cola, Sprite, Fanta,
Okay, I have a tamarindo.
tamarindo.
You want Coke? Water?
Just water. And the water is temperature.
Room
You
temperature?
can have a glass with ice.
No ice.
It's all for nothing, right?
Sí. Alright, so let's see what we get. Sauce. These are pretty big. Alright, let's test it out, see how it tastes.
Órale, pues, cabrón. Adelante, jóvenes.
It's good. This is like the steak quesadilla with red sauce, cheese. So we just left the restaurant. Food was pretty good, a little bit better than the one yesterday. Very local. So it's kind of good to eat some of the stuff on the street before we go back to the hotel, which is all inclusive. And the food there, so far from what we tried, is not that great. So the next couple of days we will be staying in. So I wanted to try to make sure we get some food in the city before we are kind of confined to just the all-inclusive options that we have there. So yeah, that's it for today.